Hi, my name is Danny and welcome to my bartending school course where I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get your first bartending job. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build mixed drinks. I'm going to be covering how to build a mixed drink and how to build multiple mixed drinks. Let's begin. Now I'll be covering how to build a mixed drink. First, grab a highball glass, fill it with ice, and then place it on your bar mat. Next, free pour 1.5 ounces of liquor and pour your mixer into the glass at the same time. Next, grab a garnish and a straw with both hands. And that's how you build a mixed drink. Now I'll be covering how to build multiple mixed drinks. Let's say a customer orders 6 cranberry and vodkas with a lime. When taking a large drink order like this, you want to remember a technique called line up the cups, bang out the drinks. So first, we'll line up the cups, like this. Notice how I'm grabbing 2 cups in one hand to speed things up. Once all the cups are lined up, it's time to bang out the drinks.
Just like before, we'll grab our mixer and our liquor and free pour 1.5 ounces. But this time, pouring into each glass, moving from one cup to the next, followed by adding the mixer to each glass.
Alright, now that we got the liquor and the mixer and all the drinks, it's time to add the garnishes and the straws. Just like before, use both hands to grab the garnishes and then place a lime on each glass. And do the same with the straws. Grabbing 2 straws with each hand, split them and place them right into the drinks, 2 at a time. And that's how you build multiple mixed drinks. In this video, I showed you how to build mixed drinks. We covered how to use both hands while making drinks, how to hold 2 glasses in one hand, and how to pour liquor and a mixer across multiple drinks. We also talked about the line up the cups, bang out the drinks technique to keep everything organized when you have a large drink order. Thank you very much for watching. If you're ready to take the next step and get your first bartending job, then check out my ebook, Bartending School Secrets. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video.